I noticed seeing this the other day, and I thought, okay, I better grab my video camera and come back out here. That's a little mini excavator, and here's a bigger excavator over here, and a little bobcat. Oh, look at that little thing. I've never seen one that small before. See that thing? That compacts the dirt, those different things in that drum. And look at this. Look at this. They've made this all flat here. That's what they were doing, and that's why they couldn't do anything until they connected up and installed all that drainage pipe, and that's why they put this black paper down. Well, actually, that is a felt material there, and it's designed to breathe. This stuff is designed to breathe, and look, it's got a backing piece on it, and then it had this other stuff that they put on. It's kind of like a foam board, and they had put that on with black mastic. Can you believe that? A lot of work prior to them backfilling this, and now, see, in the old days, I've seen dirt backfilled right up to a concrete wall before, but they didn't want to take any chances. They didn't want anything to weep through there. If you get any little hairline cracks in those tall concrete walls, you didn't want anything to seep down in there and get down in on the floor down here. That's the last thing you want, is to have any moisture coming through a wall kind of like this. Usually they would do something like that in a basement. This isn't necessarily a basement. This would be called a walkout, because the main floor is going to be up here, okay? And then you walk down to the second floor. I kind of like that. I call that the second floor, but the second floor usually for most people is above the first floor. You know what I mean? That's just the minus first floor right down there. And then this is just going to be a one-story. Okay? Son of a gun. I wasn't quite sure how they were going to do that, but that's why they got all these big machines in here. And since they had the machines, they went ahead and they kind of filled in dirt in here. They brought some more dirt in down here at the bottom, and they kind of made this nice and flat. They kind of messed up their black barrier coming around here. Remember, it was coming through here, and I'm not sure why they went all the way back here. Oh, I see what they did. I'm not sure why they did that, but they did. You see, remember they had the white pipe connected there, and then it stopped. Well, then they continued it. I was wondering where that was going to end up, and that's what this is right here. They've put gravel down in there, and then they put that black breathable, that's kind of like a weed block material. It's breathable, okay? So when water hits that, it soaks down, and here's the pipe underneath it. Can you believe that? There it is, okay? And I'm not sure if they did that on the other end of the property or not. They either did, or they came down with that one and then dug a trench over this way. That's why they have the excavators there. And I kind of thought the property line stopped there, but no, the property line does not stop there. It stops way back here. It probably where this I didn't even know that was there, where that ditch is. See right here where they got it contoured down. I've never even seen that before, because I've not walked down here this far before. Okay, so this is still on their property. That's a good way for them to drain everything in there. Now, mind you, I don't think there's ever going to be any water up against the back of that wall, but you never know how the water tables work. And when it rains and stuff, I'm just going to look at this over here, see where this white pipe was. And you remember it stopped right here from before, okay? And it's right here. Well, they before they backfilled all this, looks like they put gravel. Before they graveled, I think they put this black rolled felt, whatever they want to call it. I think they wrapped it over the pipe before they backfilled it. I'm not quite sure if they did that or not. But then they dug all the way. Oh, I see it. I see it over here. Okay, see, they did the same thing. It's right there. They didn't put any black paper on this, did they? I call it paper, but you know what I mean. And maybe they will later. And then the water's going to dump out that way, unless they continue that down. I think they're just going to stop it right there. And if any water hits that, it's going to go there, and it's going to weep up over. Hopefully, it doesn't mess up their retaining wall. But like I say, that is a deterrent. That is like your plan B. If you ever do get moisture behind that wall, along the side of the wall, on that side of the wall, on the other side of the wall. Look at that, they left their level here today. If they get any moisture from here coming down here, it's gonna hit that pipe. You remember the pipe's got perforated holes on the bottom of it, and it's just gonna on down that way. Now when they get ready to backfill this 100%, normally what they'll do is you have to have your backfill material lower than your mud sill, at least. When I used to do it years ago, the code was your finished ground had to be at least 6 inches below the bottom edge of any mud sill. Which means, see how it jumps down. You got to have 6 inches below that. Boom. 6 inches below that at that point. 6 inches below where it is right there. Okay. In fact, they almost have this too high, don't they? They may have to chop that back, because it's supposed to be just a slightly lower than that. But then what normally they do is they'll contour your landscaped dirt and everything away from your house. It's always supposed to be sloping. You're never supposed to have any dirt sloping towards your house on either side, or anywhere for that matter. Okay? Even though they have that pipe there, I think they'll still later on slope it, and maybe have a swale in the middle of this going down that way, or something like that. Or maybe they're not even concerned about sloping it away from the property. I think they still would be, don't you? I think the inspector will say, hey, it still has to slope away from that. And over here, they still have to build this out, and that's why they've been mashing this down with that little machine right there. See all those little, see all these? Okay, that they just roll on this, and so when they backfilled this, as they backfilled way down, then they rolled it, and then they. Can I help you? No.